Hey y'all, I am back again with another video. This time I'm showing you the new Kinky straight headband wig from RPGShow. From what I've seen on Instagram and other YouTube videos, their units always look amazing, so I'm very excited to try this one on. This is a unit straight out of the packaging, and as you can see, it has some blonde highlights. It is a bob style unit, so it's about 14 inches. And the best part, of course, is that it has no lace, which means I don't have to worry about trying to tack it down with any type of harmful glues, sprays, or gels. The unit does come with 4 combs that's attached to the inside of the cap, along with an adjustable strap for some added security. Now, a lot of times the combs that are inside of these wigs can be quite uncomfortable, but I did not find that to be the case with this unit. Before altering the unit or applying any products, I'm going to try it on first just so I can better gauge how it needs to be styled. And for a more seamless look, I'm going to push that headband back so that my edges are left out. Next, I'm going to secure the straps, which are held together by a piece of Velcro. I feel that RPG did a great job in not overextending the headband, and I say that because whenever I secure it in the back, there's not an excessive amount of material left hanging. The hair is nice and full, and after running my fingers through it, I can tell that it is somewhat coarse, but I like it like that because it adds a little bit of texture and it won't be so bone straight whenever I apply some heat to it to bring the shape out. And of course, I have to lay those edges, but I'm going to do so prior to flat ironing the unit. That way my edges can set while I am completing the straightening process. One thing I like to do is use hairpins to help keep my edges down by anchoring them to my cornrows. Good thing about this unit is that the headband will cover those pins and they won't be visible. After transferring the wig to my mannequin head, I first use a straightening comb to smooth out the transition between the band and the hair. Then I'm going to move on to flat ironing the hair. I'm going to let you guys watch as I finish that process, and then I'll be back to show you guys what the unit looks like once I'm done. Now that I've applied some heat to the hair, the shape of the wig is much more apparent and the highlights are blending in much better than before. Because of the kinky texture of this unit, me flat ironing it did not take away from the amount of volume that it has. It's still nice and full with a lot of movement. Alright, so let's see what this wig looks like. So here it is, and it is so much better than it was originally out of the package. So I'm going to do a quick 360 just so you guys can get a full view of what the unit looks like. I really love the color and think it's a perfect complement to my skin tone. The wig did come with some complimentary headbands, and I'm going to try this blue one on because it's my favorite, and just to show you guys what it looks like with the velvet headband on. Now, headband wigs can be very versatile, so I'm going to show you guys a few ways that I styled this unit. With the first one being this cute half up, half down style. And then from there, I go straight into a cute little top knot bun. And the third and final, and also my favorite, is just me sweeping all of my hair over to my right side and adding a few curls in the front. You can wear all of these styles casually with the black headband that comes attached to the unit, or you can spruce it up a bit with one of your own that complements whatever outfit that you're wearing. Overall, I have to honestly say that this is one of the best headband units that I've tried on to date. It's very convenient secure and comfortable, and I do believe that I will get tons of wear out of it. A headband wig is a great alternative to wearing other protective styles. All you have to do is twist, braid, or plait your hair underneath, put it away, and not have to worry about manipulating it for a while. I'm going to go ahead and give this Kinky Straight unit from RPGShow a grade A, and that's based on its quality, comfort, convenience, and how easy it was to install. If you purchase this unit, I don't think you'll be disappointed, and I really believe that you will be satisfied with your investment. Down below in the description box, I will leave a code that will allow you to save $40 at checkout. In the description box will also be other product details. That's about all the time I have. Thank you guys so much for tuning in today. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram at Naturally Engineered. I will see y'all next time. Bye.